Alam ko, more than yung hinihingi niya, but then, did I say anything? I didn't. Instead, I just laughed. I laughed at sinabi ko, I was sarcastic. Because ganun naman ako eh. That's my personality naman talaga eh. I'm a very sarcastic person. And it was used against me agad. Bullied ako. You know what? Again, at this point, I don't care who hates me because ang dami ko talagang bashers. Can I just say na, nabubuhay talaga ako sa bashers, so thank you. But anyway, one thing about me is, hindi ako magmamali na. So if you think I'm wrong, sige kung I'm wrong. Pero, since Fukirat, nag-repost siya na, basta she reposted something that I'm a bully, or basta part ako sa mga bully, and I was surprised na I'm there. Sige. Go. I'm not stressed. So, ito na nga. Kasi, yan. So, we collab kailan ba? I don't remember na kasi. I really don't remember. Siguro fault ko din na nag-reply ako sa comment ng friends ko ng ha-ha-ha, ng GIFs. Like, I'm so sorry ha, na napaka-comment ako kasi parang, hindi ba human instinct yun? I'm only human lang naman eh. Diba? Tapos isa-splice nyo para mali. Eto na nga. Dapat kasi, napaka-perfect nyo naman. Eto na nga, we collab yan ba? Sa December, we collabed. Actually, a lot happened on day na yun. Danica was so... The reason why we collab was because Danica really wanted to meet Fukirat. Pero kasi Danica, she's a shy girl. So ako talaga yung nag-set nun. You know what? As I said a while ago, parang ang mali yung comment ko. So I'm sorry. Kaya huwag niyo nang i-ano yan sa akin. Huwag niyo nang ibalik yan sa akin. Okay na. Hindi kaya ako yun hindi dinidelete. Kasi may delete ko or hindi. Or justify ko or not. Y'all are gonna say something. So anyway, so we collabed. And then, you know what's funny? It's not just me na nagsasabi or nagko-complain or nag-rant about this attitude na ganito. But, wala na talaga akong balak gawin ito, but she reposted it and I was like, okay, I never said anything. I'm proud of her character development videos, even though I personally believe na pagka nagka-character development, it shouldn't come from you. Again, never ako nagmalinis. I never said I'm kind. Kayo lang naman yung mga nagsasabi niyan eh. So, yun. And then, you know what, when I'm just gonna say, your emotions are so high. And again, this is such a petty issue. It's such a petty, funny issue. Ayan. So, ito naman, kinukulit ko siya. Actually, I wasn't planning na makisama sa collab because that time I was pero si Danica din kasi nga collab niya tapos shy nga siya, so alam mo yun, I was the bridge. So hindi po ako nakikisaw-saw, dinadamay niyo po kasi ako, y'all are calling me a bully. So anyway, ang dami nangyari, di ko nga alam kung aanuhin ko pa eh yung iba. Anyway, as I was saying, may nagsasabi kasi ng TF na need ng family niya, that doesn't work that way kasi nag-video ka din ng sayo. And by the way, ito ha, nag-content siya na may certain price, na I won't mention how much, actually yung mura nga lang eh. Pero kasi ako, aminado ako, kuripot ako, and content mo yan. So pagka-content mo yan, kaming mga friends ko, Blythe, Danica, it's supposed to be your gastos because it's your content, that's how it works. And then, ang agreement namin is, babayaran namin yung grab niya kasi yun lang naman yung hinihingi niya at first. And then she arrived in my condo, then, alam mo yun, parang, it's to the point na nakakabastos na paulit-ulit na nanghihingi ng PF na para bang, it's so rude na kasi hindi naman yun yung agreement nyo. So, syempre nakakagulat yun. Siguro madami nga akong pinagsabihan kasi pero it was never my intention na ilabas yun. And then, nagulat na ako na yun din pala yung complaint sa kanya ng iba't ibang ng other content creators. And by the way, hindi lang yun yung nangyari nung day na yun. Ang dami pa nangyari. Ang dami pa. Baka magulat kayo. This is just my side, okay? So, ayun na nga, I paid for her content. Besides, mababa lang na amount, super babang amount lang. So, besides sa she was making kulit about TF. Hello guys, hindi sa content creation world talaga, pag makikikulang ka with your fellow content creator, ang pinakabayad talaga is yung content. Yun talaga yun. So, yun. Ito ka, these are the exact words that we exchanged to each other talaga. Again, I'm sorry na mali yung natin naman ako na I should have PM'd her instead of commenting. Pero grabe talaga mag-judge yung mga tao na ano yun? Basta grabe. Anyway, so yun nga, reimburse mo grab ko kanina. Ako, I got gulat kasi I already paid for her for her content, tapos yung grab niya, ipipay ko pa. Okay, I have money, I can afford it, but hello, I'm kuripot pa rin, oh. Tapos sabi ko, hoy, yung ganito ko. Sabi ko, ha, ha, ha. Content mo yun eh. Oh, sabi niya, libre mo na yun, OA ka. By the way, while nagko-content kami, since I don't know if kulang cash niya or nasa Gcash sa Sogbu yun, hindi, never niya na-upload. And by the way ha, I told her na, can we move it na lang kasi may sakit na ako and maaga pa ako sa school bukas. But then I still pushed through, but ending, I'm the bad guy and I'm the bully. Diba? Actually, wala naman mali sa sinabi namin. Wala naman mali yung pag-exchange ng words namin. Tapos sabi niya, nawala nga 1K ko. Hindi alam niyo bakit nawala yung 1K. Ay, sabi ko, how much? Anyway, kasi, nahasal pa si Danica actually. Nahasal pa kami kasi sa village ng Danica, it's very strict. So, merong stop and go. Tapos nagka-fine pa, na si Danica pa. I don't know if si Danica or siya yung nagbayad. I forgot. Again, this was last year pa. So, alam mo yun, nahasal pa, tapos ganun na nga. So, like, sino hindi maiinis, diba? So, tinanong ko na, nawala yung ganito niya, di ba nagpakashot ako? I don't know kung pinangbayad niya nga dun sa nangyari nga sa village ng Danica. Na I can say so much about that pa, pero I'm just choosing not to. Tapos, sabi ko, magkano grab mo? Sabi niya, 1K lang naman yun. Tapos diba, I said, hoy, naningil ako, hoy, yung abono, basically, my point was, yung abono ko sa content mo. And then sabi niya, libre mo na yun, OA ka. And then, sabi ko, yun nga content mo, then nag-reply siya ng love you, you know, that sarcastic stuff. And then, sabi niya, 1K lang naman yun. Again, kuripot ako, I'm kuripot, and ako willing ako magbayad ng mga ganyan, and malibre akong tao. Pero kasi, content, alam mo yun, when you're kasi wala akong excuse, kuripot ako, alam mo yun, so like, pero again, hindi ko ito yung issue ha. Tapos sabi ko sa kanya, sorry ha, I even made mura. Again, di ako mamalinis. I'm not, para sa iba, hindi ako nakayas. But anyway, I said, mahal tayo na mo. Kasi mahal naman talaga eh, Diyos ko. Huwag niyo akong gamitan ng mayaman ka naman card. Kasi kaya nga ako mayaman kasi I'm kuripot. Joke lang. Tapos sabi ko, 300, mahal tayo na mo, hahaha, 300. Sabi niya, mayaman ka naman, grabe siya. Sabi ko, ay, di ganyan na eh. La. Tapos, she said la. Sabi ko, Danica. Sabi niya pa, kaya ka binibreak up eh. Kasi when she messaged, I wasn't able to reply kasi nakikipag-break ako ng situationship ko. Tapos sinabi niya, kaya binibreak up kayo ganyan. Tapos ito lang sinabi ko, pero seryoso, that's your content. Dapat sagot mo yon just for future reference. Kahit mayaman ka, content mo. Hahaha. Kita niyo naman eh, sa vlog ni Ate Ivana, you know what, kahit yung water ko, na hindi na nga na-videohan, si Ate Ivana pa gusto magbayad kasi content niya nga eh. Tapos, nag-sorry naman siya. Oh, sorry, love you. Pero sa successful vlog natin, thanks G. All I said was, send Gcash. Tapos sabi niya, wag na laban na yun. In-edit ko na vlog natin. It was never uploaded. Tapos sabi niya, pabait mo dito, may mga word of wisdom ka na sinasabi sa vlog to. And then sabi ko, okay lang, send na, ha, ha, ha. Sabi niya, wag na tayo, baka magalit ka pa. Sabi ko, hindi, wala lang naman sa akin. Pero just wanna let you know, baka kasi yung iba mong ka-future collab is not the same as me. Totoo, thank you sa advice. Yes? He's sleeping. Asa na ba? May sinabi ako ng ayun. Ay, hindi ko na-mention. Sabi ko, and hindi ka dapat nang hihingi ng TF kahit as a joke. Just remember, okay? Yun lang. And that's it. So, don't use you know what, kahit ano naman sabihin ko na gonna say something, pero don't use you need to understand na ganyan. Kasi nga, the collab, doesn't work that way. Pagka-artista, may kilala akong mga influencer na nagpagayad sila ng artista that doesn't have YouTube channel or isn't active on social media. Kasi, after the collab, hindi sila makaka-benefit from it. Kasi gano'n naman yung collab eh. It works na, hindi lang naman yun. Dapat both kayo makaka-benefit from the collab. Okay? You know what? I'm not sleepy kasi I slept. But anyway, guys, please, I know y'all are bored. Pero gamitin niyo yung energy na to sa ibang issue, sa issue ng corruption. I know y'all are gonna say na, y'all are gonna say na, kaya namin both ganito ganyan, calling out, ganyan. Because, pwede ba, gawin niyan or sabihin niyan, if perfect na kayo, super bait niya na. Again, I never claim that I'm perfect, nor do I justify na mabait naman ako, why are you guys hating me? No, instead I move on. And then, no, I'm not stressed. Nakakaano lang na project na may resibo siya, tapos yung resibo niya, dalawang comments ko na GIF. Eto resibo ko, this is my resibo, oh. Okay, that's it, good night.